Let's build your first MCP server together in less than 5 minutes. Hey everyone, Sterling here. Everyone in the AI space is talking about MCP. So let's talk about what it is, how it works, and let's build your first server together. Let's get started. Let's start by giving a little context on MCP. If you want to jump straight ahead into building your first MCP server, feel free to skip ahead. You'll find the timestamps in the description down below. Traditionally, when we wanted an AI to interact with APIs, we had to be extremely prescriptive. Imagine having a skilled mechanic, but being forced to micromanage their every move. Now, use the 10mm wrench. No, not that way, this way. Now, put it down and grab the socket set. We'd code explicit instructions for every scenario. If the user asks about weather, then call this endpoint with these parameters. The AI had no autonomy. Everything was hard-coded logic requiring extensive programming for every possible path. This is where MCP changes everything. Think of it like giving a skilled mechanic a well-organized toolbox of specialized tools and letting them choose the right tool for each job. Instead of hovering over their shoulder and dictating every move, you simply provide the tools and let them apply their expertise. MCP works the same way. An MCP server acts as a toolbox, defining what tools are available to the AI. The server tells Claude, here are the tools you have access to, without prescribing exactly when or how to use each one. Claude can then autonomously select the appropriate tool based on the conversation, just like a good mechanic knows exactly which tool to reach for. An MCP server provides 3 types of capabilities for AI models. First is tools. These are functions that the agent can call, like a weather API. Second are resources. This is file-like data that the agent can read. And lastly, 3, prompts. These are the pre-written templates for specific tasks. Let's take a look at the simplified structure of an MCP server to show how all the parts fit together. First, we have the helper functions. This is where we're actually calling the APIs and formatting the data that Claude will use. Next, we have the server instance. This is where we're defining the server's metadata, including the capabilities, resources, and tools. And lastly, the magic happens in the server.tool method. This is where we define what tools Claude can use, how to call them, and what parameters they accept. Each tool is like a specialized instrument in a mechanic's toolbox. All right, let's get to building our first MCP server. Before we dive into the code, there are a few prerequisites that we need to have. First, you'll need to download the Claude Desktop app. Second, you'll need your IDE of choice. I'm using Cursor, but VS Code, WebStorm, or any other JavaScript-friendly editor will work just fine. And you'll need Node and TypeScript. So, in my terminal, over here I'm going to go make dir weather, and I'll cd into weather. And now I'll npm init, and we'll install the necessary dependencies. Don't worry, all of this will be in the description down below. All right, and now let's make an additional folder and files. So we'll make dir source, and I'm just going to cd into source and touch index.ts. There we go. Let's open this up in Cursor. Now in Cursor, let's go to our package.json, and we're going to replace the scripts with this. We're going to add a type of module. We're adding a bin weather. We're adding a new script, which is going to build our MCP server, and we're going to add a new files, which is going to be build. We'll save that. Next, in our root directory, we need to make a tsconfig.json file. And in there, we're going to paste this code snippet. We'll save that. Okay, now let's go to our index.ts file, and we're going to paste this code snippet. And this is going to add the server. We're going to do a standard out, and we're going to include our API. This is going to be our API base URL, and the user agent is weather app. Now, remember what I said earlier, we've created our server instance. This is where we're defining everything. We're defining that this is weather with the capabilities, the resources, and the tools. Next, let's add our helper functions. On the next line, we're going to add our helper functions. And these helper functions are going to set up the user agent. We're going to make our API request. That was through our fetch here. Then we're going to have the interface, which is an alert feature. This is the properties. We're going to format all of the data. And next, we're going to have another one called interface, which is forecast period. And this is, we're going to add the interface here. We're going to add a new interface called points response. And we're going to have the final interface, which is forecast response. Okay, now let's add our server.tool method. On a new line, we'll just copy and paste this. And this is our server.tool. We're defining it, or we're giving it a name, which is getForecast. We're giving it a description, which is getWeatherForecast for location. And this is where we have all of our server tool set up. Let's implement the main function for our server. On a new line, we're going to copy and paste, and this is our main function, which is going to set everything up. And now we need to build our actual server. So in our terminal, we're going to type npm run build. All right, now we've got a build file here and an index.js file. Let's go ahead and we're going to copy the path, and let's go to our Claude Desktop app. We're in our Claude app, and before we do anything, we need to actually open up the MCP server. Let's go to Claude and Settings. We're going to go to Developer Mode, and we're going to edit the config. Let's open this up in Cursor. We're going to replace it with this code. And remember how we copied the absolute path of our JS file? Let's paste that here. We'll save that, and we'll go back to Claude. Now we have to restart Claude every time. So we'll quit. I'm going to open up Claude again. You'll see that we now have a new icon, which is our MCP tools. And it's going to let us know that we have get alerts and we have get forecast for location. These are available to us. So let's ask, what is the weather in Houston, Texas right now? Claude is going to ask us if it can use the MCP server. We're going to allow for this chat. And there we go. Right now in Houston, it is 82 degrees. That is perfect. The MCP server is working. Amazing. And there you have it. We've built our first weather MCP server. We've shipped it, and it's being used in Claude right now. Keep this conversation going by joining our Discord server, link in the description down below. And if you like this, don't forget to hit that like and subscribe button for more AI and API content. Thanks for watching.